Yo guys, what's up? This is EIZY and welcome back to my channel. This time around we have the best ninja of Megami device. It is the fifth Asra Ninja Megami device. The scale full action plastic model kit. This is an assemble is required by Kotobukiya, and this is designed by the Needy 2D here. Is his name here. I will put the link in the description on his Twitter. So this is the fifth one, and the sixth will be the Asra Archer, the sister, the other sister of this Asra family, which some parts of the Asra Archer are comparable with this Asra Ninja here. So I will review that one later on. So let's start with the accessories that comes with it. We have here the main weapon and another set of weapon here. We have the shield like with some knife here, and also another ninja type of weapon here, and this thing here has a knife hiding inside. There you go. Also we have this handle. This handle is for this thing here. This can take off. Oops. We just need this part here. Here we go. This part here. Just simply slide this in, and we have another set of knife. A very big knife. Also we have this shuriken, which can turn into her ribbon. I will show you guys later on. She comes with 3 faceplate. The first one is with the mask on, like this. The second one is this one, and the third one is this one. She comes with an extra head part, extra limbs, the legs. We have a set of hand here, pointing hand, set of open hand, fist, another set of open hand, the grabby hand. Also we have another set of hand here, open hand, with the old style like the From Girl one. Same goes with this one. We have the pointing hand too, the old version of From Girl design. With this one here we have the face here. Lastly we have this one, open hand. We have plenty of this joint here for the hair piece. In case you broke some, you have the extra one. Also it comes with this color here. Also this piece here for the hair parts. In case you break some, don't worry about it. And this part here, this for the legs. In case you break it, you have spare extra set of this neck joint for the Megami device and the From Girl. We have the longer one here, another normal version of chest part here. We have this extra piece here for the body part, and also we have the upper one here, but we don't have the connector inside unless you can find it from the other the other Megami device. Same goes with this one too. It goes like this. There you go. We have this part too, the white piece. The weapon support And also we have the action base also included in this kit. And not to forget this water slide decals also included. Next is the articulation for this Asra Ninja. Take this one off first. So for the head, we start with the hair. We have the ball joint here, can turn and about this far here, and this piece here also movable. There you go. And the head can look down about this far, look up about this far, side to side. There you go. This scarf is a very fragile part, so you need to be careful with it. But this also has some articulation. You can rotate like so and move up and down like so. Move on to the hand. You can move up about this far, swivel. You can move about this far and rotate. There you go. For the upper body part, can move forward about this far and backward about this far, side to side, not much. So this thing here can move up and down, and the leg can move forward. It's still the same like the most Megami device, with the same articulation, except some parts, the extra parts on it can move up about this far, can about that far, and this one here can move like so, and this one also can move forward and backward, and you can do a pivot like that. There you go. And this ribbon can turn like that. Okay, so there's a plenty of holes. The 3mm hole that you can use to attach the weapons, like this one here. You can put it right here, or here, or at the back here. Oh yeah, this thing can rotate. You can put at the back here, or at this side here, or this one here. So there's a plenty of option where you want to put the weapon, but usually we put this main weapon at the back here like that, and there's another hole at the back here for the action base. Convenient, isn't it? Also, if you pull out the knife here, this big knife here, and it will become like this part here, you can simply use it as or just put it like this as a side armor, or you can put it on the leg here like that. It depends how you want to put all these accessories that included. So next is we have here this ribbon. I mean, this shuriken used to be a shuriken. This thing here, there's a two part of it. Can simply take this one off like that, and we can turn it into a ribbon. We simply remove this part here like that, and we have the extra joint here. Just simply put it like that and put it back in. There you go. And the hairpiece, so it can turn into this hair accessories for the shuriken. Also, the shuriken can be held by this hand here. We have the handle like, so you can simply just take this one. You can simply attach it like this. There you go. You have another shuriken. Control the shuriken. So this is the option available for this kit. Next is I want to show you guys to turn this into her normal look. So we need to take off this part and remove this hands and also these legs here. Put them aside. And this scarf here, we need to be careful with it because this is the most fragile part in this kit, and since some of the builder or the owner for this Asra Ninja has broken the same part, which is this one, and remove this chest piece here. Next is first is put this chest piece and the hand like that. Another one here. And we have the leg here. Another one. And for the head part, you need to pull this one out. Just simply put this back in like so, and grab the hair piece like that. Same goes with the other one here. There you go. We have the normal hat of Asra Ninja. There you go. So this is the normal look for the Asra Ninja without her full equipment, the ninja equipment. You also can remove this back ribbon. Okay, so for the articulation, it's still the same like the other Megami device. The head can move up and down, side to side, rotate. I don't want to do that much, and go downward, backward about this far. The hand can move up, swivel, can move like that, and rotation here can move forward and backward like that, so, and can move forward, then forward about this far, and backward about this far. It's still the same like the other Megami device, but I just want to show you guys. This thing can move up and down. The leg can move up about this far, move over about that far, like so. And pivot. That's it. So that's it for the Asra Ninja. This is a very simple kit, but it has a very nice looking design, which is the best ninja design ever in Megami device. So the next video review will be her sister, the 6 design of Megami device, the Asra Archer, and also I will share the some extra which you can combine the armor parts from the Archer with the Ninja one. That is you need both kits to do so. So that will be in the next review. So that's all for my review for this Asra Ninja. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share the videos, and also give a like if you guys like my simple review. And also don't forget to check out my Facebook page, EIZY Customizer, for more plastic model kit related, or you just want to see my daily reviews or my daily contents about model kit mostly, and other stuff too. So that's it from me today, and goodbye.